Hey babes, sorry, the lighting is so bad. Anyways, so it's been a while. I got my lashes done today. Holla, they look great. My lash baby. Izzy did them for me. Check out her Instagram, by the way, Lash Honeys. I'm gonna link it down below for anybody in Toronto or in Ontario region. She is amazing. But oh yeah, and my hair's blonde. You guys already know that. Anyways, it's been a while. I've been super busy with work. I've been filming a lot and just a lot of crazy stuff has been just happening. It's crazy busy, but I'm just kind of already ready somewhat. I'm actually going to Ottawa this weekend, so I'm super excited about that. This is my OOTD. I'm wearing this tank top. I think this is from The Gap. I actually love this material. I'm wearing Roots sweatpants and I'm wearing my Ugg boots because you know what? It's a long drive to Ottawa. I think it's at least like 4 hours or so. So it's gonna be a long drive and I'm probably gonna sleep in the car, to be honest. So yeah.
It's Ottawa time! So excited. I hear it's so cold. Nicole's already full from her popsicle. Apparently popsicles fill you up. Hey babe, you want money? Gas is on the babe. Oh no, it's melting. You know when people chew? Oh. Yeah, like you're doing right now. I know, I'm sucking the popsicle. No, you're purposely doing it. So we're on the way to Ottawa. Ottawa. And Kevin bailed on us. So there's just 3 of us. What was the 4 amigos are now the true original 3 amigos. I was like, where are you going? We're not there yet.
Office party? Oh my god, don't even have this ridiculous.
Oh, hi! You're so ridiculous.
We're in Ottawa right now. Oh look, it looks like I have dimples. I'm obsessed with dimples. I need dimples in my life. It's so cold. And this camera's like fogged up too. But I look like a wreck. And we went to, I guess, downtown Ottawa. It was fun. And then tonight we're gonna go to the casino. And it's gonna be fun. And then it's supposed to rain today and tomorrow, but I'm hoping we could get a hike in one of these days. And yeah.
Oh, I thought you were talking like your mom's.
Hey, it's Gigi.
I don't want to be on the interweb.
We're hiking.
Bird sanctuary.
Yeah, we're in a bird sanctuary.
I'm gonna walking stick.
And I know, right? And it's actually really nice here. It's kind of chilly, but it's like, it's nice, like the nature walk. She got herself a stick. The stick is bigger than you. But yeah.
No.
Yeah, it is. Look, it's your height. It's taller than you. Yeah, it is. But yeah, we're just gonna go on a little hike. It's not bad weather, but you look like you're cold.
I'm freezing.
She's always freezing though. But it's nice.
Okay, good fresh air.
Good fresh air. She's totally in here.
I made it out alive.
We are struggling.
Here you go.
So, oh, there you go.
I'm not gonna make that.
Here. Step on the branch. And I'm actually. So, are we lost?
I think so. We're gonna go feed some birds.
Some birds, see some bears. No, I don't think. Oh,
hopefully they land on our hand.
Right?
I'm gonna freak.
Oh my god.
I'm freaking out, that's why. Okay, don't freak out, please, Sharon. Don't freak out. Don't freak out.
Don't freak out.
Just a bird. They're not gonna do anything to you.
Oh my god. Don't freak
Yeah, I
out.
can't make noise.
Close your eyes. That's so cute. We have some food right here for the birds, and we're trying to feed them, but
No one likes that.
I know. We've been trying to get them to come, but I couldn't really film it properly. But, and my hand is cold too. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, this looks so nice. Oh my god.
My hand.
Thank you.
Yeah, I would just walk with your hand out.
They don't hurt you. Actually, still.
No, when you see a section where there's a lot of them, you stop.
Oh my god.
Did it just come up to you?
Yes, as I was walking. I was just walking with my hand open and can't.
Oh, stay. Stay.
Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm in love. Yeah.
They're black. Look, watch. He'll come and he'll take the sunflower seed. He pushed him out the way to take the sunflower seed. And he's back for one more.
Put it on here though. Like on my headband. Oh god. You gotta take a video and you better get this. But you have to stand over here. Okay.
Okay.
Here. Here we go.
But don't move, Felicia.
Go
Yeah,
closer.
don't
I'm
move.
not moving.
Don't move. Close your eyes.
Oh, good idea. Close your. Oh, oh my god, look at that!
Why wasn't I filming? I know.
Are you okay, honey?
I don't want any pictures of me naked. You're laughing at it. What's so funny? Do they dab in this song? Is there a dab version?
Like one of these things.
What are you watching there?
The music video.
Oh my god. The should be whoopee whoopee whoopee. The should be whoopee.